I'm Sryia and I'm an upcoming junior at Doherty Valley High School. For my starter project, I made the mini POV 4 light painter. So in the dark, the LEDs should make an imprint on our eyes and it'll show up as a picture. For this project, I used 14 resistors, which reduce the current flows so that the electrical current doesn't overflow. I used 2 diodes, which stabilize the voltages and make sure they don't go into the USB interface, or they go in one direction to the USB interface. And there's 3 capacitors, which stabilize the output voltages as well as make sure the battery is smooth. There's also a crystal timekeeper, which has a quartz that oscillates back and forth at an exact frequency so that the lights flash in a consistent manner. For this project, I soldered on everything, including the LEDs. It was very solder intensive, and I practiced a lot of soldering, as well as learning the uses of the resistors and capacitors and such components. One challenge I faced was that a lot of the soldering had to be done really close together, but could not touch. I had to desolder and redo a couple of the components. I chose to do this project because I like LEDs and I wanted to see how the resulting light painting would work. For my next milestone, I'm starting my main project, which is an RC robot tank. Thank you.